Hi, in this video, I will tell you how does UX and SEO related that some people may not really know about it. If this video gave you value, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and notification on so that you won't never miss our new videos. UX or user experience design is now a vital aspect of SEO. Search engines no longer evaluate web pages on keyword use alone. Instead, websites must understand user intent and provide a rich user experience to rank highly in organic search engine results. Search engines aim to provide a rich user experience, which include connecting users to pages that also provide a user experience. SEO evaluates user interaction with a site by evaluating UX metrics, which include clicks, dwell time, and more. The UX score or user scores shows the level of user engagement and reflects the quality of the site's UX design. User behavior is a dynamic factor. In order to be research-friendly and improve its search engine ranking, a web page must have this good UX indicator. In this way, UX and SEO share the same goal, to improve the user experience of the website. Let's look at some important UX metrics when it comes to SEO. Okay, the first one is time on page, also known as dwell time. This metric shows how long a user spends on a web page before returning to the search result page. A high dwell time means that the content on the site is engaging and relevant to the user's query. It also proves that the site is easy to navigate and provide a rich user experience. Low dwell time can also reflect UX weaknesses such as a slow loading time, configuration issues, or incorrect links. Okay, the second one is bounce rate. This metric calculates the percentage of users who leave a website after viewing a single page. In some cases, a high bounce rate indicates a poor user experience design or poor keyword stop content. In other cases, a high bounce rate indicates that users find the information they are looking for quickly and leave the page. For this reason, Google's algorithm doesn't analyze the bounce rate. Okay, the third one is engagement. Strong content strategy is important, but strong UX drives user engagement. Effective content planning, intelligent site layout, and easy navigation help the audience find the information they are looking for and facilitate engagement with other parts of the website. Okay, the fourth one is page per session, also known as page views per minute. This metric is the average number of web page views by users during a given session. Users initiate a session while browsing the website. The session expires after 30 minutes of inactivity or when the users leave the website. Okay, the last one is rankings. The above factors determine the position of the website in the search result. Page quality on a search result page determines its visibility. A well-ranked and popular page will attract more traffic. The first result of Google search, for example, received 34% of the overall organic traffic, while the second result attracts only 17%. Okay, I think that's all from me. Conclusion of this video is that both of UX and SEO does related to each other on growing a site. If you are a web developer, you have to consider both of them, so that you will get the result as you want. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye!